You're still waiting for an alarm clock to wake you up? Still depending on a sound to start your life? Let me tell you something. That alarm clock isn't the problem. You are. You've gotten comfortable. Comfortable being tired. Comfortable being lazy. Comfortable doing nothing. You wake up, you delay, you scroll, you waste time. And then you say, I'll start tomorrow. But tomorrow never comes. You're living like you have time, like life is guaranteed. It's not. Time is running whether you move or not. And every day you stay the same, you're falling behind. So stop waiting, stop hoping, stop wishing. Hit the reset button. Nobody is coming to save you. No one is going to knock on your door and fix your life. You're looking for help, but you refuse to help yourself. You want a way out? Then find a way in. Take control, take responsibility, take your life back. Listen, you're going to struggle. You're going to feel lost. You're going to feel broken. You're going to feel like nothing is working. People will doubt you. People will judge you. Some will even laugh at you. Good, because that's part of it. You have everything you need. The strength, the discipline, the ability. It's already inside you, but you keep ignoring it. You keep choosing comfort over growth, and that's why you're stuck. Stop saying, I tried. Stop saying, I can't. Stop making excuses. Start doing. Start building. Start moving. Because your life has meaning. Your life has purpose. But it only matters if you do something with it. Life is hard. Being human is hard. But you know what's harder? Living a life you know you wasted. Looking back and realizing you could have done more. You could have been more. So get up, fix your life, rebuild yourself, and stop waiting.